We get a lot of emails from pilots asking for help with their bid. At the scheduling committee, we don't have direct access to the server to get to your bid. The easiest thing you can do, rather than taking a screenshot of several portions of your bid, if it's a lengthy bid especially, is just to click this print button here. That'll open up a separate window that will allow you to print something, and rather than send it to a printer, all you gotta do is make the destination save as PDF. And depending on the browser you use will depend on which how this is going to present. We just say save as PDF. You can save it as a file anywhere you want. Click save. Then we have easy access to your bid on a PDF document. Thanks for watching. For questions about your bid prior to bid close, email us at jbuscheduling@alpa.org. And for questions about your bid award, after the awards come out, within 3 days, email bidawarderror@jetblue.com.